Hello, I'm Natalie. I'm a medical scientist here in St James Hospital and I'm a colleague of Self and Nakas. And today we're just going to show you the main parts of the compound microscope that we use every day to review blood films. We look at blood films to make sure that the blood cells are normal, and if they're not, we need to investigate further. They could be abnormal for numerous reasons and they can be linked to a number of different diseases. So it's very important that we notice what's abnormal. So to begin with, I'll show you the power switch. The power switch is over here to the side and we'll turn that on. Broadly speaking, the microscope can be divided into three pieces: the head piece, the body and the base. So at the top here, we can look at the eyepiece. This is where we look down into the microscope. As so, we can adjust this to fit our own eyes. I suppose everyone has different shaped faces, so we can adjust this as we need to. So this is where we look down, and this is our eyepiece. This here is the nose piece, and it holds the objective lenses. We have a number of objective lenses of different magnifications. The weak ones by 10 by 20, and the higher magnifications, or the strong magnifications, of by 40, by 60 and by 100. The lower magnifications give us a broad feel for the film, not much detail, but the higher magnifications allows us to examine the blood cells under a higher magnification, and we can see the specifics and the details of the different cell types. Here is the stage. The stage is what holds the film. So if we place a blood film down, the stage holds it. As so, this here is the clip that holds the film into place. At the side here, we have the coarse focus and the fine focus wheels. The coarse focus allows us to move the stage up and down, and this will sort of give a broad speaking sort of magnification. It's not very specific, or detailed nearly. The fine focus finely tunes in the details. So it's a broad and a fine sort of focus wheel that helps us tune into the cell types. So at the bottom here we have the diaphragm. Here we have a light source. We can adjust the light source to very bright to very low. And we can open and close the diaphragm to adjust the light source as well. So those are the main pieces of a microscope, and I suppose a microscope is an essential tool for us scientists in the hospital. We use it every day, and it's important that we look after our microscopes and make sure that they're functioning properly so we can see the blood films and we can pick up any bad results and help the patients. Thank you.
Woohoo!